Hello guys, this is Shapov here from Russia, from Smolensk, and today I'm doing collaboration with 78910 and I'm doing a special pack with samples, MIDIs and some instruments effect, synths, basses, plugs, whatever, to create genres like future rave, progressive house, a bit of trance. So it's a lot of samples, and actually my samples what I'm using in my tracks, and I will show you how I create in the genres like future rave, like progressive house, again trance. I will show you a lot of experience what I got for many years and how I work. What synths I'm using, which sounds I'm using, the way of producing. So let's do it. So here you can find samples. Example, let's listen what I got. There is like a lot of drums, claps, drum fills, also drums build-ups for them. I've got some cool kicks for you guys. Very clean and punchy, you know, to make some cool beats. Some percussive loops for you. Some group loop. Some cool FXs, impacts, and some amazing uplifters. Also some melodical synths stuff. You can find in melodic section like synth fills, example. Some plug fills. Cool bass lines for the rave music. So like everything for a bit here, I chose in this pack some best samples what I got for many years, what I did, amazing quality of these samples, so you can use it in your songs like drums, synths. Also I got in this pack some presets what I using. You can easily use this in the projects if you work in Logic. I'm actually working in Logic X. If you work in Logic, you can use my sounds. So I show you how it's gonna be work. So I copy the presets to the channel strip settings to the instrument. I got folder Shapov. I copy here. Then we go and we can use in Logic basses, my presets, chords, distortion sounds, drums, some saws, FXs, leads, pads, plugs, strings, like everything, all sounds with amazing qualities what I doing, you know. You can check there. Then I got for you on the bass instruments, I got amazing settings of the compression, what you can use. Example, if you compress your drums, your leads, your sounds, you can find as well here. We copy this to the bass. And now we go to the Logic. Example. You go here and you can find sounds of Shapov here. You see, it's automatically with the synth, effects, everything. So, chords. So you can find as well some basses. So it's amazing quality samples from the different tracks and what I was creating just from the beginning. You can use it in your tracks, which I think will be cool and will be really useful to get more fat sound of your track, you know. Also I got some effects for the synths. Example, here's the chords. Then I send it to the bass, and now you can find settings of the bass here as well. So I do compression for the bass chords. Here you go. It's without, it's with. So it's like to make your sounds a bit fatter, you know, you can use it, these settings as well. For the example, for the chords, I show you, then we got the bass. I set in to another bass and using like bass. So it will be, everything will be more fatter, you know, and I think it's cool for you and will be really useful as well. So actually in this pack you can find everything to make a good quality track in the genre of future rave, progressive house, trance, you know, and I want to show you how to produce the track from zero using my samples. So in the genre of the track what I'm gonna produce now is gonna be a bit sexy progressive house with signature of future rave things, you know, like I'm gonna be use some good bass lines, some groove bass lines, some good plaques, some great percussion, FXs and melodies, of course. And everything gonna happen now. So let's start on it.